10 incredible facts about woodpeckers. Woodpeckers are birds known for their ability to peck wood with their strong, pointed beaks. But did you know that there are many other interesting facts about this bird? Let's explore some of them. 1. Resistant beak. The woodpecker's beak is made of an extremely resistant material, capable of withstanding thousands of pecks without breaking. In addition, a special structure in its skull cushions the impacts, protecting its brain. 2. Long tongue. The woodpecker's tongue can be up to twice as long as its own body. It is sticky and used to capture insects inside the cavities of trees. 3. Protection against brain injury. To avoid brain injuries caused by constant pecking, the woodpecker has a unique bone structure that distributes the force of the impact throughout the skull. 4. Nest builders. Many woodpeckers excavate cavities in trees to build their nests. These cavities can also be used by other birds as shelter. 5. Diversity of species. There are over 200 species of woodpeckers spread all over the world, each with unique characteristics. 6. Communication through sound. Woodpeckers use the sound of pecking to communicate with other members of their species and to delimit their territory. 7. Varied diet. In addition to insects, woodpeckers also feed on fruits, nuts, and tree sap. 8. Sharp vision. Woodpeckers have excellent vision, allowing them to find small insects hidden under the bark of trees. 9. Specialized feet. Woodpeckers' feet are adapted for climbing trees, with 2 toes facing forward and 2 backward. 10. Ecological importance. Woodpeckers play an important role in the ecosystem, helping to control insect populations and creating cavities in trees that serve as shelter for other animals.